When it comes to using artificial intelligence, many organizations just jump in and automate what they can. There's a much better way.
Welcome. You're with Brad Cleveland, bringing vision and clarity to customer experience, customer service, and contact centers.
Those with the best service start first and foremost with customer needs and expectations and use those to guide decisions. Steve Jobs, the late co-founder of Apple, put it this way, and you probably heard this: you've got to start with the customer experience and work back to the technology. Ignoring this advice, some low-cost airlines tried eliminating phone support altogether, assuming chatbots and other channels would suffice, and there's been a predictable backlash from customers who feel forced into using these capabilities. Other organizations are giving customers choices in how they're served. They're deploying powerful AI capabilities, yes, but to bolster and complement services, and they're upgrading employee skills for higher value work. As a result, they're seeing both efficiency and customer loyalty move in a positive direction. Now, let's identify 9 ways AI is assisting with customer service today. We call them the Nifty Nine, kind of corny, but it works for me. And stick around, there's a power tip on how to use these with your team. And before we get into the list, just a reminder, if you're watching on YouTube, you can subscribe to the channel here. And if you're listening to the podcast, you can subscribe wherever you prefer to listen. All right, number 1, AI can automate repetitive tasks like retrieving or updating relevant information or prioritizing next steps in a customer service process. This frees up human agents to focus on higher value work. Second, AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can interact with customers 24/7. They can answer questions, assist with processing orders, and direct customers to human representatives when needed. Third, AI can power sophisticated self-service portals where customers can resolve issues or find the information they need without requiring a live agent. Fourth, AI can use data about a customer's past interactions and preferences to provide much more personalized recommendations and services. Fifth, AI can instantly translate languages, enabling your organization to support customers from a wide and diverse range of backgrounds. Sixth, AI can analyze large amounts of data to predict customer behavior. This enables your organization to anticipate needs, quickly identify and resolve problems, and offer more personalized recommendations. Seventh, optimization tools can help with things like workforce management, such as scheduling agents, knowledge management, even assisting agents with real-time prompts and information as they interact with customers. Eighth, AI can analyze customer communications across text, voice, digital channels to really understand their emotions and sentiment, how they feel about things. This helps you track customer satisfaction and identify where to improve products and services. And ninth, generative AI can help you draft communications, produce reports, analyze data, even create presentations, with appropriate human review and oversight, of course. Used wisely, these capabilities can free you up to spend more time with your team and on strategic decisions. So that's a quick tour of how AI can support and enable customer service today. And as you assess the potential of AI, begin with your customers and their needs. That's true north. Let me leave you with a power tip, a practical way I've seen teams work through these possibilities together. I was recently working with a leadership team that felt real pressure to, do something with AI, get it in place. They were really, especially getting that from the senior level team. Tools were being pitched, pilots were being launched, and their team was understandably anxious about what this all meant. Instead of starting with technology, we put these 9 capabilities on a whiteboard and asked them 2 simple questions. First, where are customers struggling today? And second, where are our people spending time that really doesn't require judgment or empathy? What surprised them was how quickly patterns emerged. They didn't need all 9 of these capabilities, at least for now. They needed 3. In their case, automation behind the scenes, better self-service for simple issues, and real-time support for agents handling complex conversations. That clarity changed the conversation. AI stopped being about replacement or all this hype and started really being about focus on customers, on employees, and on where humans add the most value. And that's the real opportunity here, not to do everything, but to do the right things in the right order for the right reasons. For more on how customer experience, customer service, and contact centers are evolving, head over to bradcleveland.com where we post more information on these topics. Thanks so much for joining me.